Hello everyone. As in the previous two classes, we have discussed about hardware and the various hardware devices, input, output, and processing. And now I'm here with the topic software. Software, I have told you that the part of the computer that we cannot see and touch, but we can work on that. That is the software. So here, this is the chart that will tell you the various types of software. First one is we are having system software and then application software. System software is further divided into categories: operating system and the utility software. And application softwares are divided in general software. So let's discuss every part of the software. So here we are having system software. System software controls the overall working of the computer system. As the name is telling you, system software, that is the software which will control the complete system. And the system is, here we are talking about the computer system. Okay, so the first one we are having operating system, that will operate the computer system. It acts as a link between the various parts of the computer and the user. Makes a computer run. Windows, Linux, Mac and Unix are the various examples. Basically, when we just purchase a new computer or a laptop or anything, so first thing we need is operating system, because without that our computer cannot work. Okay, it is telling you that it works as a link between the various parts. In the last class, I have told you the CPU will manage everything. But inside the CPU, we are having operating system. In actual, this operating system will manage every work that we will do on our computer system. Okay, like computer है मेरे पास and we are having various parts like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, scanner, everything that. I'll give a command from the keyboard. कीबोर्ड से मैंने प्रिंट की कमांड दी है, प्रिंटर को कैसे पता लगता है कि ये पेपर मैंने प्रिंट करना है. ओके, बट that means there is something inside the computer that is controlling everything and that is telling the devices how to work together. Keyboard से आप कुछ टाइप करते हैं and it is getting displayed on the monitor. How the monitor comes to know that these keys have been typed from the keyboard? That means internal there is some system that will manage everything. So that system which is managing everything or creating a link between the various parts, it is operating system. It is the actual, you can say, the software which is actually responsible for the overall functioning. Take the example of Windows, Linux, Macs and Unix. Windows is the most common one. Like we are having various Windows, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. These are the various popular versions of the Windows operating system. Out of these, one must be there in your computer system. So this is the most popular one, operating system. So that is the system software. Next is the utility software. When we install the Windows, we will get some utility software also, like disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, and there are so many that will manage the computer or speed up your computer. Okay, these are the special type of software to solve various problems of the computer. If a computer works slowly or hangs, then utility software will help you. You can do the disk cleanup. It will delete the, you can say, the temporary files or the cache or the cookies. It will delete and suddenly the speed of your system will increase. Or disk defragmenter is there also. It is useful when we just do the copy paste. Like I have attached a pen drive to the computer and I have copied some data. Every time or after every half an hour, I'll just copy some data from the pen drive. So it is get stored in different locations in the computer. So what this defragmenter do is, एक्चुअल में ये करता क्या है, जो भी सारा ऑक्यूपाइड स्पेस होता है उसको अलग कर देता है और जो सारा फ्री स्पेस होता है उसको सेपरेट कर देता है. So in this way it is also speed up the computer and also delete the various temporary or the unwanted files also. So these are the working of the utility softwares like disk cleanup and disk defragmenter that you will get with the window. No need to install it externally. Okay, so this is the system software. A system will not work without system software. First one is the operating system and second one is the utility software. Next is application software. Application software, as the name is telling you, application software, that is they are designed for a particular task. Application softwares are specially designed for the end user. Okay, you can take the example of Word and Paint. MS Word is a typing software. You cannot do anything except typing, but everything related to the typing is present in the MS Word. Designed to perform a particular task. What is the particular task for Word? Typing only. Like ATM machine is having use for the withdrawing money. People withdraw money without knowing the internal working. Okay, no need to learn how the things are working internally. We are just providing an interface and we have to deal with that and we have to just do the work. Okay, and every application software is specially designed for a single task only. You can take that example of MS Painting, we will do the painting in that. You can take the example of media player. In media player like VLC or Real Player or any other, we'll just play the music. ओके आप या तो गाने सुनोगे या फिर मूवीज देखोगे. नथिंग एल्स यू कैन डू विद द म्यूजिक प्लेयर. आप उसमें कोई कैलकुलेशंस नहीं कर सकते, आप टाइपिंग नहीं कर सकते, आप पेंटिंग नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि एक सॉफ्टवेयर एक ही काम के लिए बनाया गया, दैट इज द एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर फर्दर वी आर हैविंग general purpose software or general software that are common for all. General means common for all. If I am having MS Word 2007 and so many people are having MS Word 2007, so it is same for all. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ तो मेरे लिए 2007 अलग होगा, या कोई टीचर है तो उसके लिए अलग होगा, कोई इंजीनियर है तो उसके लिए अलग होगा. That is not. Software which are common to all, not for a particular industry, accepted as original. जो जैसा बन गया है वही है सबके लिए. नो वन कैन मॉडिफाई. यू कैन डू द चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंगली, बट इट इज इनिशियली इट इज सेम फॉर ऑल. इंटरनली जो उसके फीचर्स हैं आप उनको यूज करके अपने हिसाब से उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं, बट फर्स्ट व्हेन यू डाउनलोड इट और व्हेन यू इंस्टॉल इट ऑन योर सिस्टम इट इज सेम फॉर ऑल. So the various general softwares, like you can say word processor. Word processor means done only the typing work. MS Word, WordPad, OpenOffice also. There are some more typing software which are having the features of word processor. Then the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means Excel हो गया आपका, CLC, Calc हो गया आपका. There are some more softwares also which are having the features of spreadsheet softwares. Presentation software most commonly PowerPoint हो गया आपका, Impress हो गया, and there are so many also. Multimedia like media players. There are so many multimedia players. You can install or you can download according to your choice. So this is the small topic about the software. Basically we are having system software and the application software. Systems are basically you can say the compulsion one. We cannot work without that. And application software according to our need, I can install in my computer, I can install in my phone. When I purchase a phone or a laptop, there are some software which are compulsory. Like Windows हो गई आपकी, यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर हो गए आपके, और लाइक इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर होता है सबके पास, विंडोज के साथ सबको मिलता है. ओके, सो दीज आर द कंपल्शन वन व्हेन यू इंस्टॉल द विंडो. बट देयर आर सम जो आप अपनी नीड के अकॉर्डिंग, अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल करते हैं. लाइक वर्ड, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट नहीं चाहिए तो मत करो. उसके अलावा मीडिया प्लेयर्स हैं आपके पास, एंटीवायरस है आपके पास, और देयर आर सो मेनी. सो दैट्स आर कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ application software. And in application which are common for all, that are known as general. कौन से common नहीं होते, वो कौन से होते हैं? Like fees software, library software. अब library rules हर स्कूल में अलग अलग होते हैं. Okay, and now एक बहुत बड़ा सा स्कूल है and they are thinking to purchase, because they are not free of cost, library software from a company. उनके rules क्या है? We will issue a book for 7 days, and after 7 days rupees 5 per day fine will be there. So according to that, company will design the software and give it to them. First of all, they'll just put all the details of the book in that software, and then every student is having admission number or roll number or any unique identity of him or her. According to that, the records will be managed. So these are the application software, but not general. क्योंकि हर स्कूल के अपने लाइब्रेरी के रूल्स अलग है. कोई 10 दिन के लिए बुक इशू करता है, कोई 15 दिन के लिए करता है, कोई 7 दिन के लिए करता है, कोई फाइन लगाता ही नहीं है, बच्चों से बुक्स ले लेते हैं या डबल पैसे ले लेते हैं या कुछ, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द यू कैन से द रिक्वायरमेंट्स. वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर, बट the software which are common for all, that are known as general software. Okay, so that's about the software. Thank you very much.